Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a smart projector that doesn't require a separate streaming stick, the Lisowod L02 is definitely worth checking out. After using it for movies, YouTube, and a little gaming, here are my thoughts. I bought this projector from Amazon using the link in the description, so if you're planning to buy it, make sure to check the same Amazon link for the cheapest price, discounts coupon, and available coupons. The first thing that impressed me was how simple the setup is. Thanks to the electric focus and 4P Keystone correction, getting a perfectly aligned image takes only a few seconds. You don't have to spend time manually adjusting the picture every time you move the projector. Picture quality is surprisingly good for this category. It supports 4K content, and the image looks sharp with vibrant colors and good detail. Whether you're watching Netflix, YouTube, or live sports, the big screen experience feels immersive. One of my favorite features is the built-in smart platform. You get access to 1000+ official apps, so you can start streaming almost immediately without connecting an external device. The interface feels smooth and easy to navigate. The projector is also bright enough for enjoyable indoor viewing and works well for backyard movie nights once the sun goes down. Watching movies on a large screen with friends and family is where it really shines. The Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity makes everything more convenient. Streaming content is quick, and connecting wireless headphones or a Bluetooth speaker is simple if you want a bigger audio experience. I also like how portable it is. You can easily move it between your bedroom, living room, or backyard without much effort, making it a great option for anyone who wants a flexible entertainment setup. For casual gaming, the projector performs well too. Playing on a large screen makes racing games, sports games, and adventure titles feel much more immersive. Overall, I genuinely enjoyed using the Lisowod L02. It offers an easy setup, smart streaming features, good picture quality, and excellent portability, making it a solid choice for anyone looking for an affordable all-in-one home theater projector. If you're interested in buying it, don't forget to check the Amazon link in the description for the latest price and available offers.